Hi guys! While it surely is a challenge to find the best tool suitable for your hard-won money, it is not impossible. Especially when you have a reliable source like our channel to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. Now in preparing this list, we reviewed more products and we based our ranking on several factors including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. We even read countless reviews from actual users. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best tools available today. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, so let's get started.
Homes are getting a whole lot smarter, and smart home security is an important way to protect your family, business, and rental properties. Smart home security begins at your front door. But live video from some of today's popular video doorbells are often slow to connect, and depending on their camera angle, you often can't see clearly who's there. Smart locks are great for securing your home, but they don't show or record who or when someone is at your door. Introducing Lockly Vision, an all-in-one smart lock with an integrated HD video doorbell. Lockly Vision combines the best features of today's video doorbells with the award-winning features and security that has become synonymous with Lockly's smart locks. See, hear and speak to visitors from anywhere in the world using your smartphone. Lockly Vision's live view allows you to see who is directly in front of your door with a single click. No side views or partial views, you know exactly who's there. The built-in Lockly Vision doorbell button alerts you that someone is at your door and immediately initiates quick two-way communication via your smartphone from anywhere. Perfect for providing visitor instructions or welcoming a guest. Quickly access HD video history of your door's activity easily and safely with built-in SD memory card storage. Lockly Vision includes all of the award-winning features that set Lockly apart from ordinary locks, including 5 ways to enter. Enter by using your finger with the biometric 3D fingerprint reader. Enter your access code by using the patented peek-proof Pin Genie digital touchscreen. Unlock, lock or check door status through Lockly's smartphone app or by simply using your voice through Alexa or Google Assistant. And for peace of mind, you can still access with the use of a physical key. Plus, only Lockly features permanent and temporary offline access codes that work without a Wi-Fi connection. Lockly has created a beautifully designed, easy-to-install plug-and-play smart lock that's perfect for securing homes, offices, and rental properties. Lockly Vision is the all-in-one solution for securing your door and granting access to your trusted circle of family, friends, and service providers. Lockly Vision also includes the innovative Lockly Access Portal, so property managers can quickly set up multiple Lockly smart locks across a range of doors. Stay safe and secure while knowing who is at your front door. Lockly, the world's most advanced and secure smart lock.
Introducing Premise from Kwikset, the latest smart lock with Apple HomeKit compatibility. Now you can use Siri voice commands to do this.
Siri, unlock front door.
Which in turn does that. HomeKit also lets you control your lock remotely.
Siri, lock front door.
Via your Apple TV. Download the free Premise iOS app to check your lock status, lock history, and battery life. And even send up to 30 unique user codes, which give anyone access for as long as you want. Best of all, Premise installs in just minutes with absolutely no hard wiring required. All while enjoying Apple's end-to-end encryption that protects your personal data, as well as the trusted security features you've come to expect from Kwikset, America's #1 selling lock brand. The Premise Smart Lock with Apple HomeKit compatibility. Only from Kwikset. Made for the world you live in.
What caught my attention to this smart lock is the versatility it has. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a door sensor, this lock really has it all. One of the things I wanted for me and my family was the freedom of not having to carry keys. We've spent a lot of money in lost keys and locksmith visits, and now we can just unlock it with our fingerprint. We also have the flexibility to use a code, which we like because we can input random numbers in case there are strangers nearby. For peace of mind. First, the smart auto lock that works with the door sensor. So the U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi will lock only if the door is closed. And if someone leaves the door open, I will get a notification on my phone. The second one is the auto unlock. That comes pretty handy when I come home from the supermarket with my hands full of groceries. One other feature that I love is the built-in Wi-Fi, because it allows me to control the lock from anywhere without any extra hubs. If I have an electrician or handyman coming, I can schedule specific codes for days and times I want with the app. And installation was a breeze. In about 15 minutes, everything was up and running. If this was not enough, the Alexa integration is awesome. I can check from the comfort of my bed and know if the door is locked. Alexa, is the front door locked?
The front door is unlocked.
Battery life is also great. I get low battery notifications, and if the battery dies, I can use a power bank or a regular key. The U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi has made our lives easier and has given us peace of mind. It was a great decision to upgrade from our regular lock.
What else could a guy want? Great family, good house, Wi-Fi. Wait, no, I didn't click that ad. Sorry, didn't mean to click that. But imagine that. Come on in, Ryan. Wow. It'd have to be easy to set up, though. Last thing I need is another installation disaster. No smart home hub. No idea how those work. This only needs Wi-Fi? That sounds pretty simple. Certainly could make life easier. And I suppose it would offer more protection. Could even keep an eye on things while we're out. Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
Hey Google, is the front door locked?
The front door is locked.
Dad,
Why don't you just get the Halo smart lock so we can stop listening to you dream about it?
Oh no, they can hear me. How long has this been the case?